This is a piece of 2541 Swiss steel being machined using the revolutionary new PrimeTurning process developed by Sandvik Coromant and now available in CAMWorks. Our US equivalent is high-strength 4340 alloyed steel. The depth of cut for each pass is 79 thousandths of an inch or 2 millimeters deep. The speed is nearly 1,250 surface feet per minute or 380 meters per minute. And the feed is an amazing 0.024 inches, that's 24 thousandths inches per revolution or 0.6 millimeters per revolution. In short, PrimeTurning allows a 2 to 3 times increase in feeds and speeds, reducing the cycle time on this part by more than 50%, while at the same time extending the tool life of the inserts by as much as 500%. The process leverages specially designed tools, including a B-type insert used here for roughing the part. In addition, special tool paths are used to achieve the PrimeTurning effect, including turning in the opposite direction than what you would typically see when using a conventional turning process. The geometry of the B-type insert combined with the unique PrimeTurning tool paths results in a much smaller entry angle versus conventional turning using a CNMG style insert, for example. The smaller entry angle provides chip thinning and a 2 to 3 times increase in feeds and speeds versus conventional turning. Note the exceptional chip control due to Sandvik Coromant's state-of-the-art technology used to design the tooling and tool paths for this groundbreaking new process. And unlike using square or round inserts, these specially designed tools offer the added advantage of being able to machine right up against the 90-degree shoulder on a part. And the distinctive design of these inserts avoids notching and provides better heat distribution to increase insert life as much as 500%. Next, an A-type PrimeTurning insert is used to finish the part in less than half the time required when using a conventional insert and turning process. And the final surface finish is exceptional. Not only does the A-type insert offer the same long tool life advantages of the B-type insert, but it also is designed to machine difficult to reach and undercut areas similar to a DNMG style insert, thereby reducing tool changes to further decrease cycle time.